To enable flash view inside Windows when drawn with the GPU in Samsung Galaxy S20, open settings, swipe up or down the screen to access the app screen, and then tap settings. You can also open settings screen from notification panel, swipe the notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find developer options, and then tap developer options. Scroll down developer options screen, find show view updates, and then to enable flash views inside Windows when drawn, tap show view updates switch until blue. You can see, and then to disable, tap show view update switch until white. Tap switch until blue to enable, or tap switch until white to disable. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.